Oh, you sent this one to me. An entire second floor pop-out tiny RV with the most killer feature, an elevator up to a full 360 sunroom.
Look at that.
This is so cool. Okay, so it's an RV, and the name of it is the Maxis Life Home V90 Villa Edition. I guess that's your villa that pops up on top. So it's actually a pretty slim van, typical van type of form factor, but then you park and the sides pop out and the lid pops up for a whole new floor. Cool. Which in this particular implementation, there's a table up there and a few spots to eat, and it's surrounded by windows. And because it's, it would be hard to get a type of, like a staircase or something, take up more space.
And there's a balcony, it looks like.
There's a balcony and a transparent TV. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Once you get up there so it doesn't screw up your sight lines, and you're just having a time. Could you road trip in something like that, Will?
Definitely. This would be the only thing I'll road trip with.
So once these slide out walls jump out, it increases the floor space to 215 square feet inside the RV when it's parked. There's a fairly spacious sleeping berth located above the driver's cab, which leaves more room in the back for a large L-shaped couch and respectably sized kitchen. Other amenities include LED lighting throughout, touchscreen interfaces on the walls, voice controls, and a transparent OLED TV backed with a window so you can still enjoy a picturesque view outside while catching up on Netflix. That's kind of cool. Mm-hmm. That's some van life stuff.